Hi, I'm here to tell you about the Harnett Summer Teamship Experience, which is a collaborative effort between Harnett County Schools and District C. Let's learn more. So what is Teamship? Harnett Summer Teamship is a free 4-day reimagined internship program for rising 9th through 12th grade students in Harnett County. In Teamship, students will work in teams to solve real problems for real businesses. Here is an example of this event in another county.
I think that many times adults feel as if we don't have good insight or good input.
I do think students in high school are often discounted. Maybe they're not necessarily taken seriously. That's why I do think programs like this are very important.
Oftentimes, students are accustomed to the sage on the stage. They're accustomed to a teacher dictating all of the information, then simply regurgitating that information. But here with the Teamship Experience, they actually get to engage with actual businesses.
When I first met the business representatives, I was, of course, nervous.
Yeah, my first impressions, I thought that they were a little shy. Didn't really want to speak up a whole lot at first.
I felt like I was about to jump out of my skin.
When we first started the program, we had sent over our problem statement to the coaches. And I thought we were just going to come in, meet the students, and that they were going to ask a few questions. What we walked into is that they already had a good understanding of our problem statement before they really started asking us questions.
Definitely felt like the feedback that I was giving and then the information that they were giving me was real and that they were truly sharing the issues that their company was having.
They looked right at the problem and were able to nail the challenges right on the head.
I know what it feels like at the end to have the opportunity to give that pitch. And that feeling of being able to add value, to actually add value to a business, that's an exhilarating experience.
By the second time that we met with them, they were completely different. They were like, "Hi, it's great to see you again." I did not expect to be this impressed, no. I think I'm kind of still in shock mode about how impressed I am.
Woo! I feel ecstatic. It felt really good to hear the feedback from our business partners and how much they liked our idea, and it really felt like all of our hard work paid off.
They presented at least 5 or 6 solutions that we're going to take back to the leadership team and start working on implementing.
It really does give them some sort of internal value. They're going to leave with some internal value they wouldn't get any other way.
I actually gave them all a business card and told them to keep in touch.
Yeah, the experience is for sure eye-opening, but that's not it. It's not only eye-opening, it's exciting, it's collaborative. It prepares you for the future.
So how Harnett Summer Teamship works, it focuses on first, diversity, students with different backgrounds, strengths, passions, perspectives, and experiences coming together to form a problem-solving team. Second is the launch. Teams build their team dynamic and interview their business partner to better understand the business problem and context. The third part is the solve. With support from their coach, teams work to understand the root problem, test potential solutions, and create a solution proposal for the business partner. And then 4 is the pitch. Teams propose their solution to the business partner and answer questions in a live workshop attended by community stakeholders, school partners, and parents. So why should students participate? They can gain skills needed for modern work, practice public speaking skills, write about this internship experience on college applications and resumes, start building a professional network. Future opportunities include that they would gain access to self-guided workshops about how to leverage your teamship skills and experience on cover letters, college essays, resumes, and in interviews. Stay connected with the District C community through public speaking engagements and other alumni opportunities. And then multiple Teamship students have accepted follow-up internships and job offers with business partners. Over 90% of business partners report that they are more likely to consider a student for a job or internship if that student has had a Teamship experience. To learn more, you can register today at this QR code. You can also check out this website listed below, or if you have questions, you can contact the Career Development Coordinator at your Harnett County High School. Thanks for checking us out, and we hope to see you this summer. Each high school can accept 24 applicants, and the applications to apply are due, or registration is due by May 15th.